So today on this very cold morning, I've headed off to Redcar. Lovely crisp morning. It's absolutely freezing, but there we go. It's 3-lap course. Each lap is 1 mile. It feels pretty slippery on my feet, so who knows how that's going to turn out. So they're just on doing their race briefing at the moment, and we'll be getting ready for the off very soon. Just calibrating my watch, and hopefully I'll enjoy these 3 laps.
Right, hello again everybody, my name's Gabby, I'm your run director for today. So welcome to Redcar Park Run. As you've heard, this is at your own risk today. It is slippery, please be careful. This is a keep right, come on then. Oh, my timekeeper's ready, where's my timekeepers? Are you ready guys? Yeah, 3, 2, 1 and go.
Run. 40 minutes.
So yeah, Redcar Park Run, really enjoyable, a nice and flat course, definitely a speedy course if needed. There's a lot of it could probably be sheltered away from the wind.
I'm so party.
So what can you say about Redcar? It's really well organised, picturesque. I love little parks like that. 3 laps, hardly any, well, it's pretty much flat in fairness. So next week, who knows where I'm going to be, but first of all I thought I would see where am I at next week. Like every week, I just never know, but if you're interested, stay tuned, have a look at my YouTube channel, subscribe. I'll be releasing more drone videos out coming soon, and we'll carry on after a nice Christmas break. So catch you later, bye now.